improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Write the improper fraction as a mixed number in simplest form. Here we have an improper fraction because our numerator is larger than the denominator. In order to write improper fractions as mixed numbers, we need to perform long division. That means that we'll divide the bottom number, which is a 5, into the top number, which is 28. Now we just do long division. So 5 times what gets me close to 28? Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25. Now I'll subtract the numbers. 28 minus 25 is 3. I don't have any other numbers to bring down, so my remainder is 3. Now I need to write my mixed number. To write your mixed number, you take the number on top of the division bar, which is a 5. That's going to be the whole number of the mixed number. So we'll write a big 5. Next, we need to write the fraction of our mixed number. That means that you'll take the remainder, which is a 3, and that's going to be your numerator of your fraction. And then your divisor, which is the original denominator, is going to be the denominator of your fraction in your mixed number. So the answer is 5 3/5. Convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. Here we have 1 5/6. I'm going to rewrite it as an improper fraction using the definition on the screen. This says that I'll multiply the whole number to the denominator and then add that product to the numerator of the fraction. So if I write this out, I have 1 times 6 plus 5 all over 6. 1 times 6 is 6. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. So my improper fraction is 11 over 6.